Hey Freedom Lovers, this is Dr. Peterson Pierre with America's Frontline Doctors bringing you today's Daily Dose. RSV is a shot being promoted as a breakthrough in protecting babies from RSV, another virus, very common in kids. However, there are serious concerns about its safety that you should be aware of before consenting to this treatment for your child. And I say that about all vaccines. At least 2 infant deaths reported to VAERS were likely caused by RSV. Both babies died on the same day they received the shots. These tragic events highlight the potential risks associated with this drug when administered to young infants. It's crucial to note that during clinical trials, 12 infants died, though officials claimed these deaths were unrelated to the drug. What else do you expect them to say? As a parent, you should be aware that even medical professionals seem confused about how to properly report adverse events related to RSV, potentially leading to underreporting of serious side effects. The FDA approved this drug for RSV prevention in infants in July 2023. Just as a side note, it used to be after 2 or 3 deaths, a drug was pulled, not even receiving approval. In this one, 12 infants died, but it still got pushed through. Remember that, parents. In August of 2023, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices recommended nirsevimab for all infants under 8 months old, born during or entering their first RSV season. The rush to implement widespread nirsevimab use raises questions about long-term safety. Dr. Merrill Nass, an internist and biological warfare epidemiologist, points out that no monoclonal antibody product has ever been given on a mass scale to children before. The safety profile of nirsevimab raises significant questions. Nass points out that monoclonal antibodies are associated with numerous side effects, from changes in blood pressure and increased heart rate to cytokine release syndrome, along with rashes and anaphylaxis. More alarmingly, Nass says, there was an imbalance in deaths between the treatment and placebo groups during clinical trials. The FDA reportedly judged that these excess deaths were not due to the monoclonal antibody, but it's unclear how they reached this conclusion without more comprehensive safety data. When you're considering a medical intervention for your baby, you want to be confident that all data has been thoroughly and transparently analyzed. The lack of detailed information about side effects and causes of death in newborns is extremely concerning. But this product is being recommended for widespread use despite these unresolved safety issues. And carcinogenesis, mutagenesis, and reproductive toxicity studies have not been performed. Who needs those? One of the most worrying risks of the RSV shot, as noted in a preprint study by French scientist Hélène Benoît, is antibody-dependent enhancement. This phenomenon occurs when antibodies actually help a virus infect cells more easily instead of neutralizing it. This could lead to more severe disease in some infants who receive the shot. Given these risks and unknowns, you might be wondering if the potential benefits of the RSV shot outweigh the risks for your baby. While RSV can certainly be serious in some infants, the majority of babies recover without complications. According to Nass, quote, I previously revealed a published CDC paper from 2021 that showed only 25 babies up to 1 year of age die from RSV yearly in the entire US, averaged over 12 years. This is death certificate data, which CDC collects. It is considered the gold standard. 4 million babies are born yearly in the US. 20,000 die in their first year. RSV kills 0.125% of them. It is way down the list of top causes of death, end quote. So parents, only you are responsible for the health and safety of your children. So take this into consideration before you follow the pediatrician's recommendations. Ladies and gentlemen, only the truth will set you free. Stay tuned for the next Daily Dose.